What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.kb. Hey yo, what's good, YouTube? Hey yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.kb, and I'm coming back with another video. And today, I got a little car meet. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. I'm gonna catch y'all there. So we done made it to the meet. Yeah, we done made it to the meet. So I'm just gonna get out and show y'all what's going on and shit. Yeah, let me just stop. Yeah, man, let me go ahead and get into it, show y'all what's going on, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm with the ghetto shit.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that
ghetto shit, boy.
What you gotta do?
Yeah.
Go for it.
What's that? Oh, this a lightning?
Yeah, I catch
The ILX right there. Actually sounded like that. Okay.
Yeah, park it up.
You good? Oh, crazy. Biggie said this a 3LT. This motherfucker cold. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got this guy here. Joke.
Come on, I stood there. I got good as
Cool as shit.
buddy.
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh, he's on air.
Nah, he boosted.
Okay, we see. Drive, baby. Nice blow off. Oh yeah, you get a nice exhaust on there. It's good.
Oh yeah.
Let me get up in that
Oh wow. Talking about them motherfuckers stuck, but that nigga was not stuck. Hell no. Yo, this shit crazy. We got them running for 12 out there, motherfucker, boy. Hold on, goddamn, they're gonna be sitting charged right now, boy. Fine out that bitch, boy. Hold on. Let me get over a bit. Goddamn 12 just went the other way. We got a scoop, nah. We got a scoop. There go 12 right there. We gotta break up. Let me slow my ass down. Shit. Slow it down.
Hey, what's up, my diamonds on my tires? What's up, my diamonds on my tires?
Man, you already know what it is. Amy, y'all, naturally to the seat, man. Y'all know something of this, man. Man, that low on the motherfucking tires, man.
Spin that motherfucker.
That low on the motherfucking tires, man.
Spin that motherfucker.
Let me get in, fool.
Girl, spin that motherfucker. Get I pull my e-brake up on them motherfuckers, I do the same shit.
And this right here is gonna cap off the video, man. If y'all did like the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, turn on post notifications on, and that's it.